How to verify your Valorant account. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can successfully verify your Valorant account. But take note that everything should be done onto the Riot Games official website or even from the Riot Games client. So as you can see right now, I'm currently prepared with the official site of Riot Games. I'm currently using Google Chrome just for this video. And all you have to do once you successfully logged in is to click your IGN or your endgame name or maybe your username at the upper right. Click on settings and you will automatically be redirected here. Now there is no actually instant option or feature just by clicking it for authenticating your Valorant account instantly. You're gonna have to follow simple steps first for you to be able to have it activated or verify it. Now from your left side, you should see these options, but simply choose on multi-factor authentication. So as you can see right here, there is actually three options here. What you want to have to do for you to successfully verify your account is to follow these three here. Click on enable and it will be activated depending on the email address that you use here. Now for Riot Mobile, if you click on activate, they will provide you a QR code to simply scan it for it to successfully activate it, and as well as onto the Authenticator app. And that's it. That's how you verify your Valorant account.